Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm video. So this is going to be the March Boxycharm. I'm just going to be opening up the March Boxycharm. So yeah, there's a lot of good things. I kind of already took a sneak peek. I opened it up in my week in my life. So if you've already watched that video, let's go ahead and open up this box. I just want to say before we get started, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have a link at the top of my description. It does help me out if you do click that link. And Boxycharms are roughly about $20 a month. And you usually get like $100 to $200 worth of product in them. And they're just like a really nice like surprise that comes to you every single month. It's a really fun way to try out new products and new brands. And you also get like some brands probably that you've like heard of, like Too Faced, Cover FX, Tarte, and just like some really good brands as well. But it's just like a really fun way to try out new products. So I personally really like them. So if you guys are interested, like I said, you can sign up with my link at the top of my description. But yeah, let's just see what is in this March one. Let's see what they treated us to this month. The first item is these brushes right here. And I've never actually heard of this brand. It's by the brand Mota, if I'm saying that right. This is Powder and Soft Glow Kit. And then I'm just going to read you the little description. It says, your new Mota 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and two-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection, and they sell for $30. So that's what they look like. They're this really pretty like pink, kind of like rose colored, and they're very soft, like very, very soft. I really like them. This one looks like it would be really good for highlight, just because it's like tapered. And this would probably be good for just like setting powder. It's a little bit thick for that. Maybe bronzer. This is really nice. They're both very soft and very good quality. Like, they feel really good. And I love the pink handles. If all my brushes could look like this, I'd be very happy with that. I would definitely actually purchase those myself. Like, they're very good quality. Okay, next up is the Wonder Beauty is the brand, and it is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and we love peel off masks and everything like that. So this seems super fun, and it does have acai and blueberry and stuff like that in it. It says it purifies and replenishes dull skin, minimizes the appearance of pores, dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I'm curious what this looks like. I feel like it's gonna be pink, the light pink color. This one's a really pretty pink color. Look at that. Love that. So pretty, so girly. I love that. Really pretty. Oh, and it smells nice. It smells really nice. But yeah, it's like a really shimmery, kind of like pretty light pink color. I'm like super pasty. Ignore my like tan is like ridiculous. I'm leaving for my trip like tomorrow morning. And so I'm like gonna redo all my fake tan and stuff tonight. It's like, it's been like 2 weeks since I've done it. So it's like looking really bad. So I'm like trying to like, I need to like get a lighter foundation for when this happens. But I hardly ever let myself go this long and get this pasty. So I just like have to have like I only have my foundation in this color. So I had to like drag it on my neck and make my neck look tan, but my hands are still pale. It's bad. It's really just bad. Got pasty hands and a tan face, just ignore. But anyways, it's like the same color as my hands. But anyways, yeah, really pretty like light pastel pink color, shimmery, nice scent. I think this would be really fun. I really can't wait to use this. And you get a large amount. Like, that is a lot. Like, you could do a ton of masks with this. Next up is this brand, or it's by the brand Appeal Cosmetics, which I've never heard of that one. And it's this liquid eyeshadow, and it says this highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. The liquid formula adds a multidimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving it that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. It sells for $21, and it's this really pretty kind of like copper shimmer color liquid eyeshadow. And if this would have been like a year or 2 years ago, I would have been so all over this because I was like obsessed with this kind of color. Wow, it's like a little paintbrush. That's so cool. This is what the applicator looks like. So you just like paint it on. So that is what that looks like. Really pretty. It's like a good shade too. It's not like too dark, and like, cause some of them are really, really dark. This one's like the right amount of like copper, shimmer, gold, orange. Some of them are too orange, too red. This one's just like the right amount of everything. Next up, really excited about this. These last two items are really cool. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, kind of like what they're known for, I feel like. And it says this is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting liquid or lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. This sells for $20. I think this is interesting because it's really like shimmery. And I just feel like I haven't really seen a liquid lipstick before that's shimmery. Like, I feel like liquid lipsticks are always matte most of the time. And so I thought that was interesting that the liquid lipstick is shimmery. So I thought that was cool. It's like that. So I thought that was really pretty. I don't have anything like this. I've really never even seen anything like this. So I thought that would be pretty. It's a nice color, and like I said, I do love that shimmer in it, just because it's really unique, especially to a liquid lipstick. Like, it's gonna be like dry but shimmery. Really pretty, really cool. And last but not least, definitely my favorite item. I try to save the best for last, and this is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials and 1 travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finish powder for a glowing multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So, oh, that sells for $45. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a really cool matte finish on the actual packaging. Then this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's really, really, really pretty. So cool. I love like the texture of all of the, like, I just love all the texture. I think it's really cool. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna swatch this on my arm here because I ran out of places on my hand. The finishing powder is kind of like translucent, so you can't really swatch that. But here is everything else. Sorry, I'm no Kylie Jenner. So here is the highlighter, one of them, the contour, the other highlighter, the blush, and the brightener, and non-existent finishing powder. So there we go, very pretty. That was everything. I feel like this video was really short, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys would like to sign up to get your own Boxycharm so you can like have the products as well, just make sure to click the link at the top of my description. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing like what was in this box. Sorry if I seem like really tired in this video and just kind of like out of it. I've been like extremely busy like with midterms, and I'm just kind of like mentally just not really, just really tired. So anyways, if I seem kind of like out of it and not really myself in this video, I'm just extremely tired. If you guys enjoyed nonetheless, and I've got a lot of really exciting videos coming. I'm going to New York. I leave tomorrow. That's why I'm just like super stressed and really tired, and I've just been trying to cram a lot of things into a very short time. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed though. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs it up if you did enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.